English for all learners. Definite and indefinite articles. In English, there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. My mother is a dentist. The moon is bright tonight. We use a or an with a singular noun which is countable. A cat is in the bag. My brother is an actor. We use a before consonant and an before a vowel. She's a clever girl. This is an expensive burger. We use a or an when we don't talk about a specific thing or person. I saw a dog in the street. A man is waiting at the door. We use a or an with professions. He's a teacher. My sister is a painter. We use a or an with expressions such as a couple, a lot of, 100, and an hour. The exam will take an hour. She has a lot of friends. He's almost 100 years old. I have seen her a couple of times. The definite article, the, goes with both singular and plural nouns. Rome is the capital of Italy. The eggs in that box are organic. We use the when we talk about a particular thing or person. The woman in red works in my building. We use the when we mention something for the second time. I had a pen and an eraser. I gave the pen to my best friend. We also use the with a superlative adjective. She's the best player in our team. We use the when there is only one in the world. The sky is blue today. The moon was full last night. The earth is in danger because of global warming. He's the best tennis player in the world. The definite article the is used with the names of rivers, oceans, seas, and mountain ranges. The Nile is the longest river in the world. I swam in the Indian Ocean. The Andaman Sea is beautiful in March. I love skiing in the Alps. We often use the with the names of cinemas, hotels, restaurants, theaters, and museums. I went to the National Theater yesterday. Have you ever visited the Louvre? We use the with countries if their names are plural or have words such as republic, state, and kingdom. I have never been to the Netherlands. Orlando is in the United States of America. The Republic of Serbia is in Europe. I have lived in the United Kingdom for 5 years. If you want more practice, watch the next video on our channel. Articles Quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.